Life sciences and the animal kingdom. In this topic, we will learn about the life processes of animals and humans. We will learn how to sort living things into different groups by observing their different features. What is science? The scientific method. Science is a way for people to learn about the natural world. Scientific understanding allows us to build tools and technologies to help our lives. Life sciences. Life sciences are any of several branches of science, for example, biology, etc., that study living organisms and their organization, life processes, and the relationship they have to each other and their environment. Life processes. What are the four fundamental stages of life? Living organisms. 1. They are born. 2. They grow. 3. They reproduce. 4. They die. Living organisms. There are two kinds of living things, or living organisms, plants and animals. Plants and animals are different because they grow differently. Types of plants. Science helps us understand what makes things similar and different. We can call these similarities and differences the features of an organism. Plants are defined by their organization, for example, having roots or not, having seeds or not, etc.
The animal kingdom. The animal kingdom is divided into two main categories, vertebrates and invertebrates. Vertebrate animals are further divided into warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Vertebrates. Vertebrate animals, like humans, have skeletons, or bones that protect the internal organs like the lungs, heart and brain. Invertebrates. Invertebrate animals like snails, crabs and insects, don't have a skeleton. They have shells to protect their bodies. Others, like octopi and worms, have very soft bodies with no protection. Mammals. Mammals have warm blood. They usually have hair on their bodies. The young are born alive and raised by their parents until they are fully grown. They are fed milk by the mother. Mammals are vertebrate animals. They have a skeleton inside their body. Birds. Birds are also warm-blooded. They have feathers instead of hair. They also have wings and beaks. The young are born from eggs. Fish. Fish live in water. Unlike other animals like mammals and birds, they do not breathe air. They take oxygen from the water through their gills. They are cold-blooded. Their young are born of eggs. Reptiles. Reptiles have smooth or rough scaly bodies. Their young are born of eggs. They are cold-blooded. They live on land and breathe air. Amphibians. Amphibians are like reptiles except that they like to live in wet environments. They can live on land and in water.
Invertebrate animals. These are invertebrate animals because they don't have a skeleton like mammals, birds, and fish do. Insects, arachnids, and annelids. Insects have 6 legs and some have wings. They have antennae to help them see. Spiders are called arachnids because they have 8 legs instead of 6. Worms and centipedes are called annelids because they have long bodies and no legs or many legs. They live in the soil.
How would you define science in your own words? What is the difference between vertebrate and invertebrate animals? How are birds and mammals similar? How are they different? How are birds and fish similar? How are they different? How are amphibians and reptiles similar? How are they different? How are grasshoppers and spiders similar? How are they different? Dolphins and whales are mammals and not fish. Do you know why? Describe the mammalian features of dolphins and whales. Writing assignment. Give 2-3 examples of a mammal. For each animal, describe 2-3 of its features. For example, an elephant is large with rough grey skin. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 big ears and a long nose. Give 2-3 examples of invertebrate animals. For each animal, describe 2-3 of its features. For example, a bee has 6 legs, 2 antennae, wings and yellow hair on its body. It lives in a large colony with other bees and it likes to collect pollen to make honey.